It has been raining in Houston for literally 3 weeks now. The power went out earlier because it was pouring. We got power back. What's going on, YouTube? I am at EVS Motors. Probably recognize them from my zombie truck video review. If you didn't check that out, check it out. But they built that insane truck. I'm gonna be working with Ted. He owns the place in the future on things that I can't do in my shop. I don't have anything to take wheels off, and like I don't really have a lift yet, so I can't really do suspension yet. But the Raptor is going under the knife today. It's getting the wheels put on. Also, we checked the exhaust. We did a pretty good job. Good job, Max. And I'm staying on stock tires because until I lift it, I can't go to 37s. I didn't feel like buying a set of 35s to then upgrade again to 37s in a month or two. So this is gonna be the current setup. So first things first, took the tires off, right? The old wheel and tire?
We air them out, take off the wheels off the truck, and I'm gonna get it on this leverless tire mounting machine. And we're gonna break the bead, take the tire out, take out the TPMS sensor, and then we'll swap it onto the new wheels.
See, I don't have one of these in my shop. I can never do this. And I'm assuming this is very expensive.
Yeah, this machine here is about $17,000.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep coming to you, dude.
Just realized I'm still wearing my watch.
DEROS, that's right. I pay way too much for my flights. I pay way too much for my clothes. I'm just too damn cool for these hoes. Someone please just hand me my phone so I can get back into my zone. Everyone just leave me alone. I'm just way too lit for this. Whole ever wonder what's
cool,
Thanks, man. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. So much better. It is insane how much a set of wheels can change the look of this truck. These sit a little bit wider. You might recognize them from last time I had a Raptor. Exact same wheels. Now I have to decide if I'm gonna keep the 17s when I go to 37s or if I'm gonna run 20s. And if I do decide to run 20s, Ted said he could probably hook it up on a custom set of wheels. By the way, guys, go check out EVS Motors' website down below, as well as their YouTube channel. They're definitely like the go-to here in Houston for custom stuff, as well as like the top seller, I think, Boston and ADV here in Houston. So if you're looking for something to get done or you just want to learn more about them, look at the links down below. The Raptor looks a lot better. It sounds a lot better. Time to put it to the test. Bro, where in the fuck are we? Are these rentals? Because that would be fun as fuck. Hey, buddy. You would eat dude in like one bite. Because you understand how big this dog is. We are in Austin, Texas at a complex called Rally Ready. It is, think Coda, like an F1 track, but specifically made for the Raptor and off-road vehicles. It's a rally track, essentially. So I'm gonna put the new wheels and the new exhaust to the test. I'm gonna put the Raptor to the test because I was talking to a company about doing full rework of the suspension, and do I really need to, I guess? Like, how capable is a Gen 2 Raptor? There's a guy behind me that just launched his, so I think they're probably a lot more capable than we think they are.
You going in manual?
Nah, Baja mode, dude.
It does all the shifting for you?
Yes, sir.
Fuck, monkey bastard, I gotta work back here.
Taylor's got a Gen 1 Raptor. He's got the V8, but he doesn't have all the fun technical shit like the Baja mode and everything else. So I guess we're gonna see how this goes.
Alright, it's time to play a game of charades. Which means I'm a rap right now, and you gotta figure out what I am. Backing out, I'm blacking out, I'm backing out, the wretched out. Cat is out, back in the back of the back of the hack, and I smash them out. Better have a gasket out when them dudes start clapping out. Although I never shot nobody, this is what I rap about. Girl who don't have a problem with putting a kid in the shelter for a Section 8 crib. 2 times for the dude blew a couple $100,000 and nothing, now he's broke, sleeping on their mother's couch. Shit, you loser, you had a chance and ain't do it, then you's a
I'm not using Baja is because it keeps it spooled up a little too high when you're going through some of the slower portions. I think it starts overheating. Sport mode on for auto, traction control off. Let's see what it can do. Oh! Literally going airborne in a stock truck. This is a truck you can go into a dealership, buy, and drive off the lot right now. Drive it to work every day of the week, and then go fucking jump it. Please go buy a 1500 Ram and do this. Let me know how it works out for you. Oh my God. This truck is so much more capable than I think I was giving it credit for. Like, I knew the Raptor was good, but I didn't know it was this fucking good. I have a background in driving UTVs, racing motocross, and I'm realizing really quickly the Raptor is a lot more weight and a lot bigger. And the repercussions of putting your Razor into a tree, that sucks. Not that big of a deal though. Putting your $70,000 truck into a tree, not as fun. Nice thing about this track is it's one way, so I don't have to worry about hitting anybody. Huge dip. Whoa, 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 whoa. So unlike in Colorado, when I hit 20 miles an hour and a dirt biker came around the other way and I have to slow it down because quickly you realize I'm gonna go to jail for manslaughter. In this track, your only enemy is yourself. If you put it into a tree, it sucks for you, bro, but at least you did it. Also, this trail was built for the Raptor, but it's still kind of tight in some sections. There's trees, there's big machinery, there's oil rigs, legitimate oil rigs. I think they function actually, just like 6 inches off the trail. So if you slide a little bit too far one way or another,
gonna have a bad time.
The fast straight they give us, 60 miles an hour off the road, and hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes, going into this corkscrew, out of the corkscrew hard, fucking very hard right. Can't see where you're going for a second because the hood of the truck's so goddamn big. Cutting through the trees, literally going airborne through the fucking trees. There's that oil rig I was talking about earlier. Do not want to hit that guy. Also, don't want to take my hands off the steering wheel anymore. That was stupid. This is right up there. Like, if it's between taking a GT3 RS Dakota for the weekend or bringing your Raptor out here, I think this might be the way to go. Through the gates, there's a little chicane, big fucking peak right there. Through the gate at the top, through the cones, and that's a lap. I am sweating. I have air conditioning in this fucking truck and I am sweating. This is a very dangerous thing for me because I tend to go over the line. Like, I always have to push it until it gets to the point something bad happens. And in this case, something bad happening is very bad.
Yeah. And he literally took him one.
You're in my hands now.
This is how much I trust Taylor.
I don't think you need the helmet.
Oh, I'm keeping the helmet on.
I'm taking it easy. My truck's already been gone.
This thing's got 100,000 miles. It can't take much right now.
They hold value.
You ready?
Are you ready? You're in.
No, I'm not. All right, bro.
Jesus. Well, you're not doing this with yours?
Bro. No, I wasn't doing this with mine.
Easy. What were you doing?
Okay, wait. If you're gonna break your truck, let me with the other camera.
I'm not breaking it. Seems like one of those viral videos. How are you driving yours?
I'm taking it easy.
Pretty sure.
That looks about right. Huh.
God damn.
That's a wrap. So Taylor no longer has power steering, but that's a relic of a truck. It has 100,000 miles on it. It's like 7 years old. I can attest to the Raptor being one hell of a truck. I am starving. I've been up since 6. It is now 2. Haven't eaten anything besides some beef jerky. Let's get some food.
CEROS, that's right. I pay way too much for my flights. I pay way too much for my clothes. I'm just too damn cool for these hoes. Someone please.
I bet there's gonna be a long wait on it.
There is.
Hashtag send it.
Do you think this entire city is fucking like riding on the back of this barbecue place?
I know.
There are signs on every corner. Like, other businesses have signs to go to. What the fuck? We haven't eaten yet, besides a bunch of dust that I don't know how it got in my mouth. I'm in a fucking Raptor, but somehow or another I got dirt all in my mouth and shit. But we are in the middle, what's this town called? Is this again? Lockhart. Wherever the fuck we are. We're in the middle of nowhere in Texas. And there's a barbecue place, and the sign said the oldest barbecue place in Texas. I don't know if I believe that. And there's a line out the door at 3 o'clock on a frickin' Saturday, so I assume it's gonna be pretty fucking good. Look, there's even a sign there. There's like, they've marketed the entire city. See, this is more my speed. I love the Raptor, I love off-roading, but this is beautiful. Super clean. Doesn't have like a Black's barbecue. The sides, wonderful. The barbecue itself though, kind of shit. I'm never coming back here because I think the people of Lockhart might try to kill me.
Stage, turn anything up. Money ain't anything, but pops taught me how to stack green up. Black King Tut, high school friends selling drugs at the same house where I grew up. That's how you really.
I filled this thing up this morning and it's already, I got a quarter tank left. That's how much driving we did today. With 3 hours up there, 4 hours off-road, 3 hours back, 10 hours of driving today. Like I am burnt out. And I know I'm harping on this, but I am blown away by the Raptor. Like, we drove 3 Raptors. Mine's my daily, it seems is his daily. Taylor's has been his daily for 7 years, has 120,000 miles on it. These are trucks we drive to work every single day. And today we drove them 3 hours north of Austin to literally jump them. Not metaphorically, not like we took them off-road, but we were literally airborne in our trucks today. And now we're driving them back home like nothing ever happened. Tomorrow I'll take it to work. Like no other truck on the market can do that. It definitely not this comfortably and this easily. Like I knew the limits of the Raptor were really high, but I had no idea how high they were until today. Like we're hitting jumps and potholes and stuff at 40, 50 miles an hour and this thing just soaks it up and keeps going. I've got a 45-minute drive home. Hopefully I don't fall asleep. I'm literally that tired. Like my eyes are kind of heavy. That helps a little bit though. You know, a lot of you guys comment on my exhaust video, like it's not a V8, still not a V8, it'll never be a V8. Like I get it, it's not a V8, no shit. Like I thought adding an exhaust added 2 more cylinders. That's fucking weird. That's not how that works. But there's so many pros to the V6. Like it doesn't sound as good. That's a con. But besides that, it's more powerful, more horsepower, more torque, better gas mileage. It's lighter. It's easier to mod thanks to the turbos already being installed. So for a lot less money, I get to 650, 700 horsepower. Like if the only con is the sound, then I'll still take the V6 and I'll live with it. And speaking of the sound, it's been 2 weeks now since I installed the AW exhaust, and while yes, it doesn't sound like the 8, it does sound really good. Like today was the first time that I've had it off-road, and it does add like a level of an experience off-road. I was in a Seams Raptor, his is completely stock today, and he was in mine, and both of us agreed it is a lot more fun to drive this thing fast off-road. You can actually hear the motor and hear what it's doing. Still approve of the exhaust 2 weeks in. I'll give you guys like a couple month in update. Also, the guys at AWE wanted me to remind you guys that they have a YouTube channel. And if you would be kind enough to go subscribe, then they'd be more inclined to help me with a titanium race exhaust for the GT3 RS. They actually didn't say the in part there, but hopefully they see this and like, wow, Joe's such a cool guy. We'll give him an exhaust for free. It'd be real nice, guys.
1 hour later.
Don't judge my messy ass room. I left at 5 a.m. and kind of ripped everything apart to get everything I needed to take with me to Austin. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button. Oh, if you were watching this video and you thought like some of these clips look too good to be an A7R3, like how are you getting these slow-mo shots? We rented for the week this bad boy. I'm helping Christian shoot his summer shredding video this year, at least the intro. And we decided that we only have one shot at making it work, so we should shoot everything raw. We rented a Red Raven for the week. This thing is sick. I really wish I could justify buying one of these for my YouTube channel. It makes 0 sense in a YouTuber's workflow. By nature, we're like run and gun shooting and I need audio and there's a lot of things that I need. This camera just doesn't do a great job at, but the footage looks fucking phenomenal. Maybe if I did like way more reviews in a studio where the camera never really moved, I could maybe jump, I don't know. Also, I've been enjoying making YouTube videos more recently. I don't know what happened, but I feel like for such a long time, I was like trying to be so serious and like taking myself way too serious on YouTube. Now I'm just like, fuck it. I'm just gonna make videos that are fun when I wanna make them. Next video will probably be next week since I have to help Christian do this whole video with summer shredding and edit it and all that. Maybe I'll do like a behind the scenes. I don't know, comment down below what you wanna see more of. That's it for me. I am signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one.